Imagine paying money for a YouTube channel, and then you wake up one morning and the channel has disappeared. Like the channel is gone. No warning, no explanation, just gone. Now, would you take that risk? Lately, I have been seeing this trend of people buying and selling channels. And I ask myself, why? Somehow, I understand why. Because sometimes growing on YouTube can feel slow and frustrating. And sometimes buying a channel can seem like a fast way to own your own monetized channel. But here is the truth that no one is telling you. That shortcut can actually destroy your chances of succeeding on YouTube. First thing you need to understand is that buying and selling of YouTube channels is actually against the YouTube's rules and regulation. It is against their policy. So which means a channel that was bought is at risk of getting demonetized or even terminated. And if that happens, you don't get a warning and you won't even get the money back that you used in purchasing that channel. You will just lose everything. Now, let's talk about something that is even more serious. The scam risk that is attached. And whether you believe it, this place is full of them. It's full of a lot of scams. Someone sells you a channel, you pay, and then they give you access to the channel. And then a few weeks or even a few months later, they recover that channel back. Because why? It's their own original channel in the first place. So they can actually recover that channel back. And now you, the buyer, you end up with no channel and your money will never be returned back. Or in worst case scenario, you buy a channel that looks very successful, huge subscriber counts, already over 4,000 watch hours, you name it. This channel really looks good and attractive. But what you don't know, or what the seller will not tell you, is that the account is full of fake subscribers, bots, and dead engagement. So on the surface, this channel is looking good, but behind is actually very empty. Now, another main problem to consider when buying a channel is audience mismatch. And a lot of us don't even take this seriously. And this is the biggest mistake people don't even consider. They don't think about it. Now, let's say you buy a channel that is a cooking channel, like a cooking niche. That's what the channel you bought is all about. But you, the buyer, your plans or your intentions is to start creating entertaining videos or even YouTube growth content. So what do you think will happen when you buy a channel that is all about cooking? And you, the buyer, you are all about YouTube growth content or entertainment videos. What is going to happen is that you are going to have a serious problem with audience mismatch because the subscribers on that channel did not subscribe because of YouTube growth or because of entertainment videos. They subscribe to that channel you are buying because they love to watch cooking videos. So after you buy that channel and you start uploading random videos to that channel, the audience on that channel, they will not click your videos, they will not watch your videos. And what happens? Your growth goes backward and your views go down. And another thing that happens is the algorithm will stop pushing your content. They will stop pushing your videos. In other words, your channel will start dying. Even though you bought a channel that looks very good, everything is okay, but because of that single audience mismatch problem, your channel can actually start dying and going backward instead of continuing growing. And another major problem that comes with buying channels is the monetization risk. Now, don't get it twisted. Even if you buy a channel that is already monetized, does not mean that you are safe. You may need to re-verify your identity. Your AdSense may not connect properly. And YouTube can remove monetization at any time, especially when they start detecting suspicious movements on that channel. So again, nothing is guaranteed if you are purchasing an already monetized YouTube channel. There is no guarantee. So don't be fooled and don't be deceived. And don't be desperate to fall into some traps. Now, let's talk about another factor that some people ignore, which is going into control and ownership. Control and ownership. So when you buy a channel, you may never really own that channel. you may never fully, as a matter of fact, you will never fully own that channel because you are not the original creator of that channel. The original creator of that channel could still have backup email access. They could still have recovery options. They could still have linked accounts. Technically, you are not in full control of that channel that you bought. And that is a very, very dangerous place to be. Now, let me say something very important. YouTube is not just about the numbers, about the subscribers, about the watch hours. It's mainly about trust, about connection. It's about community building. It's about building an audience that actually want to hear from you, and you cannot buy that. So now, instead of looking for shortcuts to own a monetized channel, why don't you slow down and build something sustainable? Build your own channel, even if it feels slow. Because when you grow your own channel, you understand your audience. You know what they want from you. You have that relationship and that connection with your audience. And that, my dear, is priceless. A small, loyal audience is way better than a huge audience that is disconnected from you, the creator. So, before you think about buying a channel, ask yourself this question. Do you want quick numbers or do you want a real sustainable growth? Because the two are not the same. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and I'm always excited to share YouTube growth and strategies with you. I help small creators grow and monetize their YouTube channel faster, the right way. And if you want to be part of a community that has a no quitting attitude, do well to join my WhatsApp group using the link in my bio. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel the right way without losing money or risking your monetization, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comments. I am ready in the comment section. I am ready, meaning that you are ready to grow your channel the right way, avoiding all the attractive shortcuts that is coming at you, because it can be very tempting, okay? Buying a monetized channel and you feel you have arrived, but there are a lot of hidden risk involved, but the seller will never tell you that. So you have to use your IQ. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you ever bought a channel before? Have you considered it? Do you know someone who bought one and is now having challenges? Just share your thoughts in the comments. Let's chat together. Until next time, thank you for watching and bye-bye for now.